Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a 10 minutes facial by Artistry. This product is really good if you want to try the brand for the first time and see how it works for you, or if you're trying skincare for the first time in general. It comes with all the necessary directions and steps to take in order to use the product. This product comes with an advanced cleansing foam, which you would use to sweep away your impurities. And the second one is intensive skincare renewing peel, which smooths and treats skin. And the third one is the moisturizer, which helps restore your skin moisture and youthful look. It also comes with a massaging cleansing brush to help to remove the dead skin whenever you're cleansing. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the process. The first step would be to remove any makeup from your face and to wet your brush in your face and squeeze a dime-sized drop of the advanced creamy foam cleanser onto your finger and put it thoroughly on your face. You're going to be doing this for about 5 minutes. After you rinse out the cleanser, you dry your face and proceed to the next step. The second step is treating the skin. In order to do that, I'm going to use the Intensive Skincare Renewing Peel and apply it on my face. I'm going to leave the renewing peel on my face for about 8 minutes. After leaving it on for 8 minutes, I'm going to wash my face and move on to the next step. Last but not least, I'm going to take a pea size of the moisturizer and apply it thoroughly on my face. To finish up this look, I'm just going to do a little natural touch-up.